Mapping the way, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating phrase, mapping the way. This phrase is rich in meaning and is often used in various contexts. Let's dive into understanding what it truly means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Mapping the way is an idiomatic expression in English. This phrase is metaphorically used to describe the process of planning or guiding someone through something. It originates from the literal action of using a map to navigate. In this context, it means creating a plan or a guide that helps someone understand or navigate through a complex situation or a new concept. Let's look at some examples of how mapping the way can be used. 1. In a business context, our team leader is excellent at mapping the way for complex projects. 2. In personal growth, this self-help book is great for mapping the way to personal development. 3. In education, the teacher is mapping the way for students to understand difficult topics. Each of these examples shows the versatility of the phrase in different contexts. It's important to note that mapping the way should not be confused with simply providing directions. It's more about creating a comprehensive plan or strategy, rather than giving specific, step-by-step instructions. In different cultures, the phrase, mapping the way, might be used in varying contexts. For instance, in corporate America, it's often used in strategic planning and leadership. In educational contexts globally, it relates to curriculum planning or teaching methodologies. I hope this video has been informative and has helped clarify the meaning and usage of mapping the way. It's a phrase that beautifully combines the idea of guidance and strategic planning. Remember, language is a map of culture, and phrases like these help you navigate it more effectively. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful language learning videos.